In a string of backstage moments, this episode traces three founders from hardware, software, and services who turned early doubts into durable growth. They reveal late nights, brutal feedback, and pivot moments when their first product almost failed, yet they carved paths with disciplined experimentation. Each founder details a core tactic: rapid prototyping with real users, data-informed pivots, and building resilient teams that weather churn. Behind the glossy headlines lie lean operations, bootstrapped budgets, and partnerships that unlock distribution well before hype. The takeaway is clear: persistence paired with fearless learning transforms scrappy beginnings into lasting impact.